Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And today we are testing out the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Silk Foundation Elixir. And I got the color Fair Pale and it's too light. But as you can see, I warmed it up with bronzers and powders and all kinds of stuff. So if you want to see how this does up against hot flashes and wrinkles, then, oh, I was going to read you what it says about it. Hold that thought. It says for me to put my glasses on so I can read what it says. It says that it is a ultra nourishing, ultra fluid, weightless organic foundation elixir that improves the appearance of skin tone and texture while delivering a sheer to buildable coverage. It features organic jojoba oil, organic aloe vera, organic coconut oil, botanic cactus flower to lock in moisture, improve the appearance of skin tone, and deliver a second skin airbrush dewy finish. It comes in 12 shades, and the only directions it says is shake the bottle before you use it. So, if you want to know how it did up against hot flash and wrinkles, then you just need to stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. As you notice, I moved my mirror so that maybe I'm still going to be turned a little bit sideways, but I'm hoping that you guys will be able to see a little bit better. We're going to try it this way this time anyways, and we'll see how it goes. So this is what we're trying, the Physicians Formula Silk Foundation Elixir. It is from the Organic Wear. And I really like these drops, the liquid drops, because that's my favorite is the Catrice, and I like the Algenist. And NYX had one that I really liked, so I've decided I just really like these. This one looks really, really light in color, but I tried it on my hand and it pretty much disappeared. So that's good. So this is supposed to have buildable coverage. And let's just go right in and see how it does. It says the only directions was said to shake it before you use it every time. And I noticed there's a lot of oils in the ingredients. So hopefully, and I know this looks really light, but it seems like all of my, I didn't get any inside. All of my foundations right now that I've been trying to wear are too dark. I don't know. It doesn't seem like there's any in the dropper. It's just on this thing. I don't know what the deal is. Anyways, we'll just use the thing like a doe foot. And I am probably going to try and build it up because it does say it's buildable. So let's just go in with a brush. It's super light, but it's supposed to be super lightweight too, so. And the next one, I looked at the next color up. I think it was ivory or something. Wow. Yeah, it's way too light, but we can make it work, right? I went from one extreme to the other. That's okay. We're in it to see how it wears and all that good stuff. If you hear noise, it's my husband. This is so light. I don't know what color this is, but obviously it's not my color. Have to have glasses. Silk Foundation Elixir. Fair Pale. That's what color it is. So, FYI, the lightest color, this is the lightest color they had, because the next one looked a lot darker. And I thought, you know what, I'd rather have it light. I can put powders on top of it to make it darker. And that's what I'm going to do. It'll be fine. And if it's wonderful, I'll take it back and get another color. Because this is definitely too light, but like I said, you can make it work. We can make it work. Let's see. How's the coverage? It's pretty good. Let's go in with a sponge. A damp sponge. Oh wow, it's really in the lines. It's got a lot of oils in it. I noticed that in the ingredients. So it may not be too good for my skin. I haven't seen anyone talk about this, and yet it had 4 stars on the Physicians Formula website. It's got very light coverage, but we're just gonna go with it because it's weird because it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of cakey on my forehead, and yet my face does not like oils. What was I thinking? All right, we're just gonna hurry up and powder this because right now it's not looking so good. Now I know what he's talking about it, right? I was going to try and build it up, but now that it looks so cakey, I'm not going to. I'm just going to put on my concealer. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star concealer. Cover up all of this nastiness under my eyes. I mean, on my eyelids and under my eyes. Around my nose. See if we can make something of this. Yeah, you know it's light when it makes the concealer look dark, right? Scary. Yeah, I can't see this ever being one of my favorites. Let's go in with some contour. See if we can get some color in this face. Let's do 3 dots today. I'm not going to blend this in too much just because I really want it to stay. Get some depth back into my face. That's a little better. All right, let's go in with our powder and see if it gets rid of all this cakiness. I don't know, this is a lot of work just to make the foundation look better. I love this powder. I just don't like to breathe it. Okay. There, that warmed it up a bit. And it still looks super, super cakey on my forehead. And chin. Yeah. Wow. I am definitely not liking this. It looks so dry. Wow. How can it be so dry with all that oil in it? Okay, let's keep going so we can spray it and see if that helps. The color is the least of its problems now. Okay, let's go in with some blush and some highlight, and then we'll spray it and see if it saves the day. And sometimes it does. I love this blush. This is the Benefit Dallas. Love it. It's got just enough sheen to it to make it beautiful. Just enough pink and peach to it. I can't even tell which one. It's perfect. I'm using my Pro Glow palette from Tarte. Can't even see my face. This is just awful. Anyways, I was using my Tarte Pro Glow palette, and I used this powder bronzer and this strobe highlighter. That's what it's called, strobe, the color. Now we're gonna spray it. See if it gets better. Certainly can't get worse. It's not getting better. Yes, this is a huge fail. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to try. I'm going to let this dry real quick. Then I'm going to get in close and let you see what I see. It ain't pretty. Oh my goodness. And it's not like just under my eyes. It's like all over my forehead, around my mouth, even on my cheeks. And I usually have no issues with my cheeks. Can you see my forehead? And under my eyes? And my mouth, around my mouth. Okay, now you guys have seen what's really going on. I am going to go off camera, put on the rest of my makeup, and hope, beyond hope, that this gets better as the day goes on. Because right now, it's a definite no. But it is a little better since I put on the spray. So maybe it's just going to take time. Anyway, I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the look of the day. And if you want to see this eye look, Wednesday. Yeah, I still hate the foundation. It still looks powdery, cakey. I don't know. I don't like it. I will come back at the end of the day and let you know if it changed, but it doesn't look like it's going to change to me. So now we know why nobody's talking about it. Even though it had 4 stars. Had 4 stars on the Physicians Formula thing, though. I should have looked on Ulta and... Well, Sephora doesn't carry it. But I should have looked on Ulta. Anyways, I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know if it got any better. But so far, hey guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. And this is going to be a quick ending because basically it's a no. It's an absolutely, definitely no. The coverage is just, it's not there. Because I was afraid to put any more on because it looks so cakey. And it still looks cakey. It's clinging to dry patches. And now we know why nobody talks about it. Because it's weird because it has so many oils in it. And it says it's supposed to lock in moisture. And yet it is so drying. I mean, I'm just like flaking now. And I wasn't flaking before. So, it's going to get a thumbs down from me. And I like the other Physicians Formula, but this organic wear one, it's just not getting it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!